Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another investing $1 in Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 732. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every single day. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the other videos on the channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also find a link down in the description to get $5 for free when you sign up, along with a bunch of other links that will allow you to earn free cryptocurrency. Okay, so here we are on the Bitcoin chart in the investing section. I currently have $3,210 invested. Bitcoin's current price is $37,863, up about 2.4% today, up about 5% on the week, up about 8% on the month, and 287% on the year. Going sideways pretty much for the last month. Looks like we're kind of consolidating a little bit. We'll see if we go up or down from here. Let's scroll down here, see if there's any news. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey has set up his own Bitcoin node. So Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter and Square, which owns Cash App. So that's pretty cool info. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey has set up his own Bitcoin node. Dorsey will now have a hand in keeping the Bitcoin network running. So basically there's nodes all around the world that keep the Bitcoin network running, and Jack Dorsey has set up his own. That's pretty dope stuff. Glad to see the CEO of this app continuing to care and push Bitcoin and blockchain technology. That's about it for the news. Bitcoin owned 0.084782. You can see I've been buying $1 every day. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've invested $1 more into Bitcoin. Scroll down here, see my balance is now 0.084807. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,210 divided by 732 days equals a 4.38x of my investment. So what that means is for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.38. So it's going really well. We're going to continue to dollar cost average until the end of time. Excited about crypto. Glad to be trading my US dollars for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.